This is another New Black World Order TV Productions. Uh-huh. Chopper, Chopper. Grand Rising, family. What's happening? I'm glad to be with you again today. This is another opportunity to share with you some of the things that like I said, go to the board when I'm bored. So let's get it in. These are some interesting facts about the number 14. This is part 2. This is King Sha, and y'all know how I do. So let's get it in. We're talking about the number 14. And remember, when we took the numbers that were associated with the alphabets, right, that associate with the word 14. There are 26 English alphabets. They're numbered from 1 to 26, and there's a number attached to each alphabet from 1 to 26, from A to Z. And today, like I said, we're discussing the number 14. Let's get it in. 14 is one word with 8 letters, right, with 2 syllables that add up to 104. And when we reduce the number, the double-digit numbers that are associated with a letter, such as N is a 14, T is a 20, right? We reduced them and we came up with 41. Remember, the information is always hidden right in plain sight. So what does the number 14 and the number 41 have to do with the way this word is actually written? And is the answer hidden right in plain sight? So like I say, let's get it in. Let's do it like this. The only letter in the word 14 that is repeated twice, is the E. And we identified that the E was the 5th alphabet, so that's a 5-5. So what does 55 have to do with that? Well, let's find the information that's hidden right in plain sight. Well, I'm doing this to show you just a little peep, just a little surface view of what's in my book. But what's in my book is mind-blowing. So let's get it in. 1 plus 4 equals 5. That's an E. It's the 5th alphabet in the English language. 4 plus 1 equals 5. That's the 5th alphabet, again, in the English language. So we actually saw the answer to the question, the relationship between 55 and 14 was hidden right in plain sight. 55. Again, we got 104, and when reduced, we got 41. Isn't that so? So let's get it in. Since the 0 is a space marker, and we're talking about 41, the reflection of 14, 41 plus 14 is EE, or 55, right? Since we're dealing with the number 55 as it relates to, right, the number 14, we're going to do it like this. So 55 plus 27 is 82. And 55 minus 27 is 28, which is a reflection of 82. It's what we did in the first part. This is the information that's been locked from you, but I have the key. Interesting enough, if we take the word lock, the L is a 12, the O is a 15, the C is a 3, the 11 is a K. Brings us to the total of 41, the reflection of 14. Since I am the key, and I have the keys to give to you to unlock the information that's hidden right in plain sight. K is an 11, E is a 5, Y is a 25, and why is the question most asked by those who don't know. And when you don't know, you should listen. You cannot plus play and record at the same time. Let's get it in. Key adds up to 41, and when reduced, it's 14. Don't believe me? Check it out. The 11, 1 and 1 is 2. 5, 7, right? 2 plus 5 is 7. That's what? 14. This is the information that's hidden right in plain sight. Now, when we take the number 41 and subtract 14 from it, we get the number 27. Right? There's a ritual of the numbers reflecting each other. So that brings to mind the word ritual. If we take the word ritual, right, of this circle, cipher, code, square, code, cipher that we're dealing with when we're dealing with those 14 letters that make up those 9 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't believe me? Write it out and count them. There's only 14 letters out of the 26 letters that are being used. The other 12 is not. Let's get it in. R is a 18, reduce it. I is a 9, T is a 20, reduce it. U is a 21, reduce it. A is a 1, it can't be reduced. L is a 12, reduce it, bringing us to a total of 27. We're talking about the information that's hidden right in plain sight. There's nothing being hidden from you. It's right in plain sight.